What's up, YouTube? See, phone got water damage. Won't turn on or nothing. Thing red. Won't even work. So today I'm gonna show you how I learned to fix my phone. Alright, show you that it doesn't work. Hold the red button. And the phone doesn't turn on. Broken. So take the battery out. And if you got an ASM card or an AT&T card or whatever, make sure you take it out. And we're gonna get a paper towel. When you wrap it in a paper towel, do it on the edge. More better. Edge. Fold it up like this. Do it the correct way. And I'm not responsible for anything that you tear up. So, make sure it's down in there tight so the chip stuff won't get froze. Alright. And we're gonna make sure you do not put these in the freezer. So we're gonna put it in the freezer. Put it in the freezer. 2 hours. 2 hours. I'll be right back with you in 2 hours.